Hey, what's up guys? So here I have is a laser sight. It's for a Glock. So far it looks very nice. I did take it off and I tried it. Very good. All I have to do is line it up. So gonna unpack it and show you how the red dot looks. So it comes in a nice little package like this. So you gotta adjust everything, make sure you get it on the money. Get it open. They give you 2 sets of batteries, so it only takes 2 battery into the little slot right here. Takes 2 battery into the little slot right here. And it has your Allen keys, so you can adjust your sight. So you got one small, one big. So you get 4 batteries. You're only going to use 2. So you have your sight. So this basically goes onto your Glock. It lines up pretty good. You have your little red dot right here. On and off, we'll move this side to side. That's on, that's off. So it's side by side. And awesome. So let's get it out. Usually in the back side, I just grabbed a penny. Unscrewed it. I left them in the package, just little plastic package. I left them just like that, and I put them in. Make sure it lines up pretty good. And tied it up. So you have, that's an adjuster. You have one there. So you got the adjust it, make it right. So far it looks nice. I have to get it all lined up. I tried it on, it went on very good. So now I just got to center it. So turn it on, that's your red dot. Turn off my light. Show you a little bit. Has a nice little red dot. So all I gotta do is align it and we're good to go. Works good so far. So if I wanted to turn it off, push it like that, turn it on, turn it off, turn it on, turn it off. So very nice, very nice.